Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is Is It Worth It, y'all? And this is a new episode of Quick Canning Cuisine. What do you do with beef stew that you're tired of eating beef stew? We are gonna turn this into a spin on a shepherd's pie, crossed with a pot pie. We're gonna turn this into something other than beef stew. So stick around and we're gonna make this up as we go, just like we usually do whenever we're doing one of these videos, and do something else besides just eating this straight out of the jar. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all, I am totally running out of time, and usually whenever I make stuff like this, I'll go ahead and just make a biscuit or whatnot. We're cheating today. We're just gonna top the pot pie with biscuits. First thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull the liquid out of here. We've canned these beef stews a while ago, and I mean a while ago. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna thicken this with cornstarch, I think. I'm not gonna make a roux or anything. We'll just thicken it with cornstarch, and I'll put this on the stove to get heated up. Now, as far as the stew parts are concerned, we're gonna pick through this, and we're gonna build out two containers. So I think I have enough biscuits to do two. I think I have enough product to do two as well. So I think what we'll do is, see, we got to pull out all the bay leaves and even out the meat. And then some of these vegetables, yes, my hands are clean, y'all. Some of these vegetables, I think I want to like make smaller, because some of these carrots are really big. Some of the potatoes are really big too. I'm just going to squish them. Break up this meat a little bit and evenly distribute this for each pan, because I'll probably have this. I have to go somewhere tonight, but I'll probably have this for dinner or lunch at some point. So I'm just going to keep going. Might not use all the potatoes, we'll see. Now I am going to flavor the stock with something, just not sure what, because it's just beef stock, so I kind of want to do something else with it. These are looking good. Okay, cool. Let me go wash my hands real quick. All right, let me turn some light on, see if that'll help. All right, so what I'm going to add to this is some bouquet garnier. That'll go good with the beef. The other flavors are good. The other thing we're gonna do, I gotta find my whisk. I think it's over here. Yep. All right, oven is preheated. So as soon as we get this to thicken, we can add it and place the biscuits on top. I'm getting a spoon, and we're gonna whisk in some cornstarch, y'all. And you do this a little bit at a time so it doesn't clump. Cornstarch just thickens it up, and there's really no flavor. All right, let's see what that does. In the meantime, we're gonna add some cheese to this. I think Greg will appreciate cheese. We'll put it in between the biscuits. Maybe we'll even put some cheese on top of the biscuits. He might like the gooiness of cheese, so we'll add that too. All right, we have our gravy, if you want to call it gravy, thickened. Well, again, this was just thickened with cornstarch. I'm going to evenly distribute it. And then we're going to top this with biscuits. This part, do y'all like this thing? Comment below. Are you okay with what's getting ready to happen, or does it freak you out like it freaks me out? Because then it doesn't happen, and you have to do the... Do you squish yours or do you hit yours? I hit mine. Okay, y'all ready? Come on. Oh, yeah. I do not like that at all. Okay, let's get these in here. I am running out of time, y'all. Running out of time. Okay. How many of these biscuits do I have? 8. 8? All right. All right, 4 fit there. Yep, I got 8. All right, we're doing it, y'all. All right, they're going in. $15 minutes. Ready to go. We did it, y'all. We did it. Oh, I'm coming. Okay, I did 15 minutes. Oh, these smell great. The biscuits are done. Look. Woohoo! All right, let me set it down. I don't want it to overflow. It's already cooking in here. It's overflowing. Oops. Yeah, I'll have to clean that up later. All right. Nice. Look how pretty, y'all. Can you see? No. Let me turn you around. Look how pretty they turned out. They're gorgeous. And I already know they taste good because I tasted the insides. All right, y'all. There you have it. Now you want to talk about some quick canning cuisine. 15 minutes, maybe? Well, I mean, it took 15 minutes to cook the biscuits, so let's call it 20 minutes. Everything's cooked in the jar, so we've turned beef stew into something hopefully that tastes a little bit better. So if you'd enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me what you would do with beef stew, because I have like 6 more I need to use, so comment below and tell me what you would use it, beef stew in. Something other than just eating beef stew. Cool? Do that for me, and we'll try to make it, all right? All right, till we see you guys on the next quick canning cuisine episode. Bye, y'all.